Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my welding and fabrication business plan template that's been updated for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll dive into the welding and fabrication business plan template, and I'll show you all some updates that I've made to the product. And then at the end of the day, what we'll do is wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, let's go ahead and zip right through it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my welding company business plan template, specifically the updates that I've made for 2023. So the first update that I made to the template is to the company's summary in the executive summary. And in this section, what I've done is I've added a little bit of AI. I plugged in the information to an AI, and I had to go ahead and optimize the readability of the first couple paragraphs. And so the results were pretty good, so I liked them. So I went ahead and updated the template with those changes that were recommended from AI. And the second update that I made to the welding and fabrication business plan template was for industry research. As we all know, if we're going to write up a business plan, we'd better have some updated industry research. So what I did was I went to my the organization that I use for my industry research, which is IBIS World. In my most humble opinions, they are the industry leader in industry research. And I went ahead and accessed the report, summarized some of the information, reworded it and plugged it into or updated the business plan template. So now we've got current for 2023 industry research based on the report from IBIS World. And the third update that I made to the template was to make it more customizable for the first 12 months. So what I've done is I've added a segment under the profit and loss tab in the financial model where you are now able to change the sales growth on a monthly basis. Previously that wasn't available, but because of the demand and need to go ahead and modify monthly revenues, I went ahead and added a segment to go ahead and allow y'all to change your sales growth with that. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.